Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Wall baskets are an easy and stylish way to add texture and warmth to your home decor. These versatile items can be arranged in numerous ways to create a Boho-inspired atmosphere in any room. Mixing different sizes, shapes, and materials such as rattan, wicker, or metal can add dimension and interest to your wall decor. Hanging wall baskets can be used to display small plants, dried flowers, or even photographs, giving your walls a unique, curated look. Do it yourself wall will decor using woven baskets, creating an organic and personal touch, perfect for everyone looking to update their living room, bedroom, or hallway. For it, structured arrangements can align the basket in a symmetrical fashion. Or you can choose a free-flowing asymmetrical design for a relaxed natural vibe. Baskets in original tones like terracotta or natural wicker work beautifully in natural tone spaces, while colorful baskets add an exotic pop of color to more minimalistic rooms. This affordable art form allows for the endless creativity and customization, making it perfect for budget-conscious decorations. You can also upgrade all baskets, giving them new life with paint or by adding fabric liners. Combining all baskets with other bow. Thanks for watching. Must pause, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.